So this is our street in Norfolk right now, currently, after about 3 to 5 minutes of rain, like heavy downpour. We had to bring the plants inside because some of the soil like washed out. And this is our entire street. Looks like a river. It's all up on the sidewalk. Yeah. I'm waiting for a brave soul to come by and drive through it. We had a couple takers, but not as... Here comes one, maybe. He's thinking about it. Nope. The guys with trucks usually, like, are able to go through it. It's about up to my knee in some areas. In other areas, only up past my ankle a little bit. I'm gonna go back. This water's really gross. Come on, you can do it! Go! That is so crazy. The waves. It's like a boat. Here's another one in the other direction. It's funny to see like who goes for it and who doesn't. But it's not super deep, so you can't like drive through it if you have a big car. Just another normal, exciting day in Norfolk. Yep.